guys, Anthony here. Welcome back to my channel. On this video, we're taking a tour, an updated tour of the newest Toll Brothers communities. I know I've done Toll Brothers in the past. They are by far my favorite builder and also the one that I get the most requests for from people literally all over the world, always asking about Toll Brothers communities. We have about 16 communities here in the Atlanta metro area, many of them out here on the northern part of Atlanta, and then there's also townhome communities inside the city limits. The cool thing is that they have their first townhome community out in the suburbs, out and coming. Super cool. It's the Toll Brothers at West Shore. They have cottages and the townhomes out there. It's going to be a really unique community, but we're going to tour a few of their newest communities. Right now we're at Brookmead. This is also incoming. They have multiple phases going on right now. I'm right here at the pool in the clubhouse. I want you to check this out. This is their clubhouse here. There's a meeting area over there. There's a game room inside. There's a fire pit right here, that's super cool. But look at this beautiful pool. They have gazebos. I don't ever see public pools or community pools that have these cool gazebos there. Tennis courts, playground, all this building construction going on. That's the that's the model home right there. That's the Riley model. We're going to tour that here in a second, but just a beautiful community. It's over 150 homes out here. They are only selling 2 per month, or they're releasing 2 per month. So if you get on their mailing list and go on there, I can't get on there as an agent. You have to get on there as a consumer and put your name in there. What they're going to do is they send out these mass emails. Now this is for Brookmead. They have a couple of other communities that are doing the same thing, but they also have some that you can bid directly on, releases that are coming up every day. They release them right and left. There's no waiting list, so we'll go over that in a little bit. But this is Brookmead. I'm going to take you through the tour of the model home. We're going to talk to the agent in there. I'm going to show you some overview shots of the community here and where they're building. But beautiful pool. You can see the mountains off in the distance there. Gorgeous, gorgeous community. Let's go. So this is the Ryland floor plan. Typically you'd come in this floor plan through the garage. This is where you would park, and then you'd enter into the house through the kitchen here. You come in and there's a mud room off to the right here. This is a massive, massive walk-in pantry. I paused it here because I didn't do it justice panning through here to show you how deep this goes back here in the back, but it goes back to the right all the way up to that wall. So really big pantry. And then you enter into the kitchen. Obviously beautiful open concept kitchen, typical Toll Brothers style. Lots of natural light. This is actually quartz countertop. Beautiful countertop. I love this style. Range hood, gas stoves, all soft close, everything. You also have a chef's kitchen off to the side. That is awesome. Full chef's kitchen in addition to your large formal one. You have a breakfast table here, breakfast nook. And again, more Toll Brothers style. They always have these beautiful back porches. Very nicely done. Fire pit in the backyard. Love this open concept. These doors all open up, so those can all slide open, get all that wind and air coming through there. Really cool office space behind the living room. You got dual fireplaces. I love all the detail in the Toll Brothers styles. Formal dining room here. Now, at the top of the stairs, they have this loft space. You can turn it into a kid's room, TV room, entertainment, study room for the kids. Big, big space there. 2 bedrooms off to the side here. There's a 3rd bedroom off to the right here. Closet on the right, bathroom on the left. Private bath for this room. Look at those big cabinets. Desk area in there. Laundry room off to the other side. And then typical Toll Brothers, just a gorgeous, gorgeous master suite here. Look at those rafters, really, really nice. Attention to detail everywhere. I love all of their bathrooms. They all come with, or a lot of the designs come with these 2-entry, dual entry showers. Then you have this massive walk-in closet here. Gorgeous. next stop on our list is Edgewood East here in East Cobb in Marietta. This is by far, in this video, my absolute favorite subdivision. Many reasons why. Number one, it's in East Cobb. I live in Cobb County. I love Cobb County. It's in Marietta. I also live in Marietta. It's close to Marietta Square. It's the largest of the suburbs in the area. All kinds of tax breaks here. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that we have senior citizen tax breaks. All the retirees that leave Buckhead, Virginia Highlands, those high affluent areas, they come to Cobb County because of all the senior citizen discounts. But this is Edgewood East. We're gonna take a tour of the model home. It's the Roswell model floor plan. Stunningly beautiful, gorgeous, you're gonna love it. But I also want you to know that Edgewood East is one of the very few communities of Toll Brothers that has homes available right now. On this row here, on this side here, these are basement homes. There's one available on the very end that just hit the market yesterday. It's listed at 1.2, stunningly beautiful. There's two on the other side over there. Those are slab homes, also released in the last couple of days. They are taking bids right now, so those two are available. But the rest of these right here, these two coming this way, and then of course we got all this space right here they're gonna build on. Those homes over there are gonna be released soon. And then that road up there at the top, that's gonna have more homes up there. So all of this is going to be built out. For whatever reason, call it the market slowing down, call it demand is not as high, we have homes available here and they are effing awesome. I love these homes out here. I love Edgewood East. I love East Cobb. It's amazingly beautiful out here. It's got all the benefits. You're close to Roswell, Alpharetta, Marietta. I mean, it's got Kennesaw Mountain. It is to me, this is the best location. So let's go check out the model home. Let's take a look up top and check out the area, and let's keep going. So this is the Roswell floor plan. I love these cedar posts out here on the outside. As you come in, again, more open concept. Stairs go up to the top as soon as you come in, but look at that cool office space and that ceiling in there off to the right. Very beautiful. You can go off to the left to get in the kitchen there. There's your formal dining room. But I'm going to take you to the right, and we're going to check out this back bedroom and come in this way. This is not a master on the main, but it is a guest bedroom on the main level. That's their bathroom or the guest bath. Again, open concept, beautiful, lots of natural light coming in. Typical Toll Brothers, you got this beautiful backyard with a fire pit in the back. All clean lines everywhere. They have excellent use of their space in Toll Brothers. Lots of storage space and cabinets. Beautiful patio. Lots of counter space. Very open and fresh. Let's go upstairs. There's two bedrooms off to the left right here. So you have one that joins the back one with this Jack and Jill bathroom here. This is the other bedroom. Then there's a third one up here, right across the hallway right here. And this is the bathroom it uses and shares with the other bedroom. Big loft space. You can use this for anything, entertainment for the kids, study area. It's got the desk built in. Washer dryer that connects to the master closet, which is awesome. Big master suite here, sitting area, raftered ceiling, beautiful. Sliding doors, big Toll Brothers bathroom. I love their bathrooms. Dual entry showers, standalone bathtub into this beautiful walk-in closet back here in the back. Just less than 10 minutes up the road from Brookmead is Northfield. So this is a much smaller community. Again, one of their newer ones. This is less than 50 homes in here, about 10 minutes on the other side of the Polo Grounds. If you're familiar with Cumming, we have Polo Grounds out here. It's in between here and Brookmead. This is the first home they're building. This one has just started. They've already sold a couple of lots in here. I'm gonna show you an aerial view of this. You'll see it's much smaller than the Brookmead subdivision. Brookmead also has that massive clubhouse, the pool. This one's gonna have a small one here, nothing like that one over there. Both communities start in the high 800s and go up from there. We get up into the low millions, but it's Toll Brothers. Beautiful homes, highest quality, unbelievable finishes, upgrades, granite countertops, quartz countertops. They got all kinds. They're just gorgeous homes. So this is Northfield. Again, much smaller. One home started. The sales center, if you're out and about and you're wanting to know about Northfield, and I'm not with you, I don't know why I wouldn't be with you, but if I'm not with you, the sales office is at Brookmead for Northfield. So both subdivisions being sold out of there. This one does have availability right now. You can bid on the lot premiums. You can bid on the houses. Just a few lots have been sold. So let me show you from up above, and let's keep going. Up on the north side of Cumming is the latest subdivision. This is Montebello. This one is a massive subdivision. It's also unique because it's a mixed subdivision. What I mean is this is an established one. There's other builders in here, so there's other homes, resale homes that have been built for a few years and established. They have a section off in the back. That's them back there. And then we have Toll Brothers that is building on this section here. But this is a massive community. Has a 3-acre lake. There's over 17 acres of green space here. They're gonna have pickleball courts, pool, tennis courts, all kinds of stuff out here. You got to check it out. Go to their site. I've said this before and I'll say it a million times. Go to the Toll Brothers site and sign up on their email list. The consumer, you're going to get first dibs on everything. You're going to receive the emails first as soon as they release lots and plans. But this one they're releasing properties as soon as they're available. So you're not getting on a wait list like some of the other ones, and you're not bidding on these like some of the other ones. So unique situation out here. It's going to be a gorgeous site. The homes that are already here for the other builders are beautiful. Nothing matches Toll Brothers though. Toll Brothers is the best. I mean, for the price point, that's the other thing. These start in the 700s. So this is actually a little bit less expensive than some of the other sites. It's a little bit further north than Cumming. So as long as you don't have to get into downtown or some other places that you can work virtually or remote or whatever it is, something like this is beautiful. Plus you have Cumming, you got Lake Lanier, you got all the beautiful stuff around here. There's a national forest not too far from here. You can get all kinds of hiking and mountain biking, but just a beautiful community. You can see they got quite a bit. That one's actually under contract already. 2 of them are under contract. That one's available. There's another one down there available. You can see they're already building. I have to apologize. Hopefully there's not too much wind noise out here. I forgot my microphone with my little fuzzy cat on there that prevents this wind, and now it's kicking up. Hopefully you can hear me. But anyways, I'm going to show you around the neighborhood. We're going to talk about how they're releasing properties, some other stuff in here, but let's keep going. So the model home wasn't available for me to tour, but this is the Winthrop. This is a virtual tour of it. I want to show you a couple pieces of it. Again, natural light, open concept, beautiful ceilings, attention to detail, little office space off to the left as soon as you come in the house. Dining room area that wraps around. You can go around that way into the kitchen or into the living room here, but check out these windows. One of the things I love about Toll Brothers is these big, tall windows and all that natural light. Got this dual fireplace here to the left. You can enjoy it in this sitting area or this informal sitting area on the other side. What's up, guys? So I'm here at Toll Brothers' newest townhome community. Now, I never talk about their townhomes. Most of their townhomes are inside the city limits, inside the perimeter. This is the first time Toll Brothers has made or built a townhome community outside the perimeter. We're actually in Cumming right now. That's Highway 400 right here. We're 10 minutes from Lake Lanier. That's the largest lake in the Atlanta metro area. We're gonna be walkable distance to all the shops, retail. It's 127 units. That's the first phase back there in the back. I'm currently in the second phase. They're gonna build all of this out. It's gonna have a village green, a pool, a fitness center, tennis courts, all kinds of, basically resort style amenities. It's gonna start in the high 400s, goes up from there. It's gonna be typical Toll Brothers, amazing quality. Everything you think about when you think about Toll Brothers is gonna be in these townhomes. The big open concept, all of the windows, the lights, the big kitchen counters in there, the islands, the upgrades. I mean, I can't speak highly enough about Toll Brothers. So this is the Toll Brothers at West Shore. Look it up, Toll Brothers at West Shore, 127 units. They're gonna have 2 different floor plans, actually 4 different. They have 2 different without an upstairs loft, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, goes up from there, and then they're gonna have a same floor plan with a loft up there. I know the wind is blowing hard. I forgot my microphone. Hopefully the mic on this camera picks everything up today. I'm gonna run it anyways, I don't care. As long as you get the information, right? So I apologize for the wind noise out here, and hopefully you can hear me. Also, they're gonna have a village green here. That's gonna be super cool. The village green is gonna have its own little retail shops in there, stores, lots of cool little things to do, lots of stuff for the kids. So that's going to be off in this area here. Again, first phase up there, right off the freeway. Let's go check it out. One of the many reasons that people live up here on the north side of town is access to Lake Lanier. It's the largest lake in the area, by far the most popular. It's amazing. It's beautiful year round. There's all kinds of activities, all the beautiful homes all over the lake. It spreads in different directions all over on the north side of Georgia. And I'm gonna show you some aerial shots here in a second, but this is why people move up to Cumming. It's Lake Lanier, but also the Toll Brothers at West Shore that I just showed you right up the road. It's actually 7 minutes. GPS took me 7 minutes to this park right here on the lake. This is the beginning of the lake. It goes for hundreds of square miles back in all different kinds of directions. There are different coves and caveats. It's an amazing lake. You'll absolutely love it. Fishing, hiking, running. I've done some adventure racing out here. I've done all kinds of stuff. I love Lake Lanier. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. But this is why. So I'm going to show you around a little bit. 5-7 minutes from Toll Brothers at West Shore. So you have access to the lake. You get access to Cumming. Toll Brothers out here in the suburbs. Check it out. All right, guys, that is a wrap on this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it and you got to see what I see in the value, quality, craftsmanship of the Toll Brothers brand and their communities. They're just so beautiful. Absolutely one of my favorites here in the Atlanta metro area. If you have any questions about Toll Brothers, other builders, moving to Atlanta, whatever it is, the real estate process, I'd love to help you out. Again, my name is Anthony LaBorde. I'm a realtor here in Atlanta, and I would love to hear from you. But until then, you guys have a great day.